We've had a lot of requests for more simple dishes, some things that are very, very easy, some side dishes as well. So I'm gonna do my chili glazed carrots. Really, really simple, very few ingredients. Takes maybe 20 minutes. First thing, oven set to 400 degrees. We're gonna take our pan and put it in there to preheat on roast. And now 2 pounds of carrots, we're gonna get these ready. And I'm just going to first peel each of these carrots and then we'll deal with them from there. Now that these are all peeled, we'll just take and cut off each end, and then we'll cut them at an angle, not thinly, but just pieces like so, bite size, you know, right into the bowl. Two pounds of carrots, cuts down really nicely. We'll just take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a few drops of sesame oil, like so. Very pungent stuff, so you don't need a ton of it. And then we'll just give it a toss. No other seasoning on that, just the oil. Most of our flavor, the salt, the sugar, everything is going to come from the glaze that we put on it. So this just goes right into our pan that has been preheating in the oven. Pull that out and get this in there. While that's roasting, we're going to put together the glaze. Not much to it. I have a half a cup of Thai sweet chili sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. If you're gluten-free, you can use tamari, which is a soy sauce that doesn't use wheat. Or if you're soy-free, you can use liquid aminos, and that will work perfectly. 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, or ginger paste, whatever you have. And then about 2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Let's give that a whisk. And then the last thing we need to do is we're just going to slice up some green onion here. Trim off the ends. I'm going to save the white parts for another dish, another time. And these just at an angle. Now we just kind of wait. Everything else came together very, very quickly. So the carrots will take about 15 to 20 minutes. You're just going until, you don't want them super soft. You want them to still have a little bit of texture to them. But once they start developing some blackness on the outside, just some little charred spots, not super charred, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's ready. The tops look, you know, kind of regular, but as you shake it around, the parts that are up against the pan, those have started to brown, and I can tell that these are good. We'll let those sit for just a moment. I've got a pan here, which we'll put on just above medium heat. We're going to add our glaze right into this pan. Those are perfect. Just a little bit of texture to them still, but definitely cooked through. Super enjoyable, sweet, little salty. The perfect dish for any meal to accompany whatever it is that you're serving. this is a great one for upcoming Easter as well. So give it a try. Link to the full recipe in the description of this video, and let us know how you liked it. Enjoy.